This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, park level, chalk front wheels and engage the parking brake. This secures the car. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid accidental electrical activation. Once done, raise the rear with a jack and place on stands. Remove rear wheels to expose the emergency brake components. You're not prepping, you're exposing the parts. Remove any drum or rotor as needed. Keep fasteners organized. This gives clear access to the cable, equalizer, and lever where you'll continue the repair. Now remove the cable end from the handbrake lever, then the equalizer and anchor points. Apply penetrating oil first if fittings are seized, and use a breaker bar if needed. Pull the cable through its routing, releasing clips and brackets, and inspect carefully. Look for frayed strands, heavy corrosion, or kinks. These justify replacement. Compare the old cable to the new one for length and terminals. Once confirmed, feed the new cable along the exact routing. Reattach brackets and hand-tighten fasteners to hold it in place. With the new cable in place, adjust tension at the adjuster so the handbrake engages solidly at about 3 to 4 clicks. This balances travel versus hold. Make sure the parking pawl engages fully. Then lower the car, torque wheels to spec, and perform a rolling brake test at low speed followed by a parked hold test on a gentle incline. If the brake still feels weak, recheck adjuster, equalizer, and nearby calipers or levers for seizure. Those are the usual causes when tightening alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.